Actually, this area is a Bali Dynasty resort, and right behind me, this is a gracious Kelly
Irish pub.
Irish pub. The only one Irish pub in Bali.
Original one.
Let's see how it is.
Check this
inside.
out. Alright, we have our food arrived. This is the Irish fries, definitely the fat one. Tender burger, and Sayang have something Irish pie.
Irish pie, and I don't know how to try.
Irish pie.
Smacznego.
Smacznego.
So this one is the Irish pie, the most iconic food. This one, I'll show you. Inside. And this one, smacznego. Here we are having a dinner with the Irish band behind us. So nice.
Alright, Sayang is finishing her beef pie, and that's how it looks live. Finally they sing something Irish. Almost like in Galway. And meanwhile I'm gonna show you how it looks live inside the Irish pub. Here we go. So this Irish pub is very authentic one, and they make it like really details. Of course, maybe it's not like 100% original in Galway or Dublin or Cork or Limerick or anywhere in Ireland. However, it's really pretty cool and pretty decent. They even have this music machine, which is pretty cool. Decorations like this, and you could get Irish coffee also here, like an entrance, like an old door mirror. Looks pretty authentic, and you have even some decorations, Magners. Only Irish people will know Magners, and yeah, that's how it looks. It's only the first time in such a big Irish pub, and it's nobody inside. That's actually pretty sad and pretty sucks. But after that, it's really cool. Yo, what's up? All good, right? So, like in the Irish pub. This is the bar. Happy bartenders. Hello. Yes. Here we go. Looking for some Irish whiskey. Here we go. They have Glendish. Not so bad, actually. Wasn't expect that. But yeah, they have it something. And that's how it looks inside the Irish pub. If somebody will be interested, definitely worth to come. I know some Irish people watching us. Somebody even was my neighbor from the city where I used to live, the same county. And you can comment below what do you think. And also upstairs was the Irish pub. Normal sitting like in the Irish pub, which is really not so bad, unfortunately. Well, it's quiet, but it's very cozy. It's really cozy, I had to say. Really cozy, and nearly you can feel like in the Irish pub. Super cool. I lived even, but I didn't know. And you can go also more up. because it's like a church building. Super cool. And they're still singing. They also have a huge room. It's really like a feeling like in the Irish pub. This is actually cozy and fancy with the fireplace and the chairs. This looks like imported from Ireland, by the way. Well, I don't think so. I think this is just the decoration. However, looks super cool. Just pretty sad. This is so quiet. It's really like breaking my heart. But well, that's how it is.
No, they never know more. You ain't play, you ain't over. No more. I took from my pocket and saw the rain bright. And the landlady's eyes open wide with the line.
Alright, we are after the food. How was your food, by the way, honey?
So good. The Irish pie. So good.
So good. Okay, so that's how it looks, the Irish pub in Bali. I just want to say this is not paid endorsement. We just come because last week we strolled around and we saw the live music, and Sayang have a bill
186k.
186k, which
And
is
they have promo for the food 50k. So nice.
yes. And I was living 4.5 years in Ireland, so actually Northern Ireland in the Craigavon area. So if somebody living in this area, comment below. By the way, we're gonna go to continue now the stroll. Let's end of the vlog in Kuta Square, and we will see how it looks like. By the way, I feel just a little bit sorry because I never been in the Irish pub. So quiet, so empty. You know, that's
Yeah,
that's sad.
normally Irish pub so full of people,
Yeah.
but here because of the current situation, only us and other guests, only 2 guests.
Yeah, so that's how it is. Anyway, we will show you how it looks the rest of the Kuta today.
Okay, so now we move to Kuta Square to find something ice or for dessert, and then yeah, it's still the same. Kuta Square is some shops are open, some shops are closed, even it's on the weekend. But yeah, at least we can see some local domestic tourists here right behind me. So yeah, let's stroll around.
Alright, so that's how it looks the situation. As Winnie said, it's the afternoon on weekend already, and we was in the Irish pub. Only they sing actually for us, which is actually I really appreciate. And that's how it looks the Kuta Square. There are some tourists, like as Winnie said, also local domestic, which is not so bad. However, it's still very quiet, unfortunately. It's
Yeah,
very
still the same.
still
It has
the
been
same.
1.5 year. Yes. Yeah, like somebody said that it's nothing changed in Kuta. Yeah, this is how it is. And
nothing-
Matahari Kuta Square is temporary closed.
Yes, Matahari is temporarily closed. McDonald's here luckily is open because the other one is closed. I mean, next to the beach walk. And yeah, we're gonna show you anyway. That's how it look like here. Here we go. This is the beautiful shop with the skateboards if you are interested. I have actually one skateboard, but don't drive too much. Sayang is looking already into McDonald's. I think I already know where I'm gonna have ice cream today. But meanwhile, let's have a walk. Let's go to KFC first. I mean, not eat there, but I'll show you. And the horse driver here. In general, it's very quiet, I could say, as you see. Alright, and at the front, if you're gonna go, is the famous Kuta Beach. And here is some IOACO, I don't know, clothes shop. And here is the KFC. Somebody asked me last time if it's open. Yes, this KFC is still luckily open 12 to 8, which is not so bad. And that's how it looks, the situation.
Yeah, we've got emails that asking that is there any KFC, McDonald's, Pizza Hut kind of franchise food in Bali? A lot.
It's actually a lot. If you are
You can find
afraid,
it everywhere.
if you're afraid about eating the local food, you're not gonna, starving here. It's a lot of open. Here we go, Bagus Watch. Somebody asked me also about this company, and here we go. It's actually open. So here you go. If you're interested to buying something, and it's even customers inside. No, honey, no. Look, Sabenta. All right, this is exclusively for you. Louis Vuitton bag for 200k. If you're interested. So Bagus watch. Okay, if I'm already here, I will show you around. Shopping. That's actually quite nice sunglasses. Beautiful bright ring, almost original, looking pretty cool. Almost. No, but it's good place, good shop. Alright, so eventually we left the shop without buying anything. Was nearly close to buy some Louis Vuitton bag for just how much? 800k?
Yeah, but it looks like a real one, original one.
Yeah, this Bagus watches, it's actually pretty good shop with the replicas if you wanna have some ladies bag or the watch, but not original replica one. Yeah, it's pretty good quality, have to agree. This is only typical Asian thing. In Europe something like this is very illegal, but in every country around the Southeast Asia is like pretty normal thing. And here we go. I don't know what is this restaurant actually, but this, I don't know even is this new or old, but this looks nice.
This is Cafe Dulang since, you see,
Since 1997. And people chilling here around. Not so bad. Yo, what's up? Hello. Alright. Polo Ralph closed. Planet Sports open. Tourists, mission complete.
It's the Matahari.
Oh yeah, this is the Matahari entrance. Was entrance because it's closed. Unfortunately, this is the big tragic of Kuta Square. But yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, let's have some small con. We will see how it look like. Some tourists. By the way, you can have a tasty one piece of ayam and rice, only 15.9909. All right, we got our ice cream. That's how it looks situation in the Irish pub in Kuta Square. I hope so you enjoyed. And yeah, Honey's busy eating. I was thinking she's gonna make a closing anyway. Thank you so much for watching and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.